about now? Hello. No, still pretty quiet. Why am I so quiet? Guess I can turn it up. Hello. 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 There we go. Alright, I'll be starting soon. I need to put the kids to sleep, and probably in like 15 minutes or so, I'll put a message in the chat just for anybody. And don't go anywhere if you join. I'll be on soon, and we'll be working on the video game.
Another lover loves the captain. Another lover underneath those flashing lights. Another one of those Brooklyn nights. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I should've guessed that this would happen. I should've known when I looked in your red hot eyes. Spewing all your red hot lies. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go what part of this hell. I can only blame myself. Cause I know you're poison, eating me poison. Addicted to that feeling I can't help but fall off. You're poison, I'm in my choices. Every night I'm living like there's no tomorrow. Tell me when you want me, baby, that's the way you got me on your the story's gonna end with me dead from your poison. I got something to beg or true. I got something to telling you what you wanna hear. I guess it's all the disappear. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So believe it goal to resist another goal. Yeah, I know it's poison. You're feeding me poison. I'm choking on the tip and I can't help but swallow. You're poison. I mean my choices. Every night I'm waiting like there's no tomorrow. But it's always hollow, full of poison. I'm sick of the poison. Wish I had something to live for tomorrow.
Well, hello, everybody. All my loyal followers. That's better. Hope you enjoyed those hardcore rockin' tunes. Alright. There I am. I am real. Okay. Look alright. My problem is, how is the sound? How is my sound? Still looks low. What am I doing wrong? Hello? Hello? Guess we can go up higher. Which way? There it is. Hello. Yeah, I mean, I want it to be as loud as possible without clipping. And that seems good. Let's actually double check. Oops, the live feed. Come on, buddy. Trying to use this Twitch app stream manager live. Show me. Prove it. There we go. Oh yeah, it sounds good. I believe you now. Alright, let's mute that. Let's get the chat open. No, that's whispers. What am I doing? There we go. You know what? I have the Twitch chat here. Okay, I have YouTube chat over there. Alright, cool. We're good. Oh, hello again. Let's see. What's on the docket? Let's look at the board. Did breakable. We got that working. We got weapon working. More or less. It works, it's just fists right now though. I don't have like a whole weapons system. Okay. I have some other things on the list. We got moving enemies as opposed to the projectile ones. Which I'm not so sure is important or not. Alright. I knew I was muted the whole time, by the way. So we're gonna work on... Should we do bug fixes? Or should we build a new functionality? Bug fixes or functionality? Let's play. Functionality or bug fixes? I do not know. What do I want to do? I guess I already built one enemy type, so maybe I should just finish out the enemy types and create the one that runs at you and just hurts you when he touches you. Okay, that's what we're doing. We are creating... Is there a name for that type of enemy? Video game enemy that runs at you. Name. What? Oh, video game enemy. I don't know. I assume there's like a industry name for different types of enemies. Alright. Well, let's put the guy in the first level since I already have two enemies in the other one. So, what do we need? We need a new selection, a new meta field to decide whether the enemy is a runner or a shooter. Right? That's character, not enemy. Okay. So we got Elven Soldier, Security Bot. Okay. I guess maybe I'll just turn one of these into it. So Security Bot will be the shooter. Elven Soldier will be the runner. Because that's kind of how he is in the book. He shoots you with laser bolts. And the Elven Soldiers, I mean, they shoot you with arrows. But they could also have swords and run at you, so what I need to do is create, it's actually I forgot to ping all my channels that I'm going live. 1 second. Go on the Discord. Post in the Discord. Where is it? Announcements. Live on Twitch. Order. Oh. Didn't work. Why doesn't it work? Edit message. Does it have to be a lowercase h, really? Yes, it does. That's weird. The link wouldn't work with a uppercase H for the HTTPS. Alright. Let's post it on Threads. Wow. Threads. Post. Live on Twitch now. Bum, bum. Twitch.tv/Orbem. I don't have a lot of followers anywhere that I'm posting this, but on the off chance. And then why don't we do Instagram? I never post that on Instagram. Maybe we'll actually get some people. I have a lot of followers on there because some company wanted to help me out. And where you at? Here you at. Post. Let's take a picture. For the gram. I might never find that out. What just happened? Live on Twitch. Yes. Lowercase h, just in case. Twitch.tv/Orbem order. And I would post this on LinkedIn, which would probably be a butt. I mean, I have like 2,000 connections on LinkedIn, but I don't want my coworkers or anything jumping on this randomly and then talking about it. That'd be kind of weird. Okay, that's good. I'm good. Back to work. Okay, so what do we got? So we already have projectile stuff specific for enemies, so let's just add a checkbox for... let's add a radio. And the radio will be either shooter, runner, right? That'll work. Okay, here's the meta box. So, if you are only an enemy, let's put it at the top actually. That's kind of an important thing. And then we'll call you shooter. Yes, I'm using VR, get over it. input class equals top y top. Exactly. And the name is going to be explore enemy type. And the ID will be the same name, explore enemy type. Value will be, nope, checked, or echo checked. And current is type equals current is shooter equals type. Okay. Checked equals shooter. Oh wait, no. Checked equals true. Okay. Value equals shooter. So if they select this one, the value will equal shooter, and enemy type will give you that. Okay, cool. And now let's add the second radio button with another BR. And this one's going to be runner. Change the value. So in HTML, when you do a radio, you do a submission, the reason that they're connected is because they have the same name. Or same ID and name. And then whatever's selected will give you the value when you, like if you try to find the element, explore enemy type, and you get the value, it'll be whichever one's selected because they have the same name. This is a runner. Cool. This should do it. And then let's add it here. Inputs. Explore enemy type. Equals type. Enemy type. Where's that enemy type coming from? It's from an input post. Oof. The list grow long. We'll go enemy type. And it's going to come from Orbem. I mean explore enemy type. Alrighty. That should work. This will save. Should be good. And then this is where we're going to get the actual value from it. If it exists. I'm definitely gonna make a for each loop eventually, or just use like you know, an expand or whatever, where it just creates all the variables based off of the array name or the values in there. Wow. Okay, so it's going to be enemy type. We'll get post meta for this, which will be explore enemy type. single value. All right. And this is gonna work first try, like every one of my custom fields. Good. What am I doing with this? Deciding whether he's a shooter or a runner. Right. So I'm gonna have to add some logic inside the map item HTML. If he's an enemy, that's not the only thing that matters. It also matters if he's a shooter. Close. Explore enemy type. Explore enemy type comes from y'all. No. Wait. I'm gonna for each. Yeah, here it goes. Explore enemy type. Oh. I already have an area for this. Wow. Good for me. Get post meta explore point. Do the ID. That's gonna be explore enemy type. True. Okay, so this is gonna be the type. Except for I don't notice full explore. Womp. Everybody's cool. We're good. Chats are good. What is he drinking? That's what I always ask. Scotch. That's the answer. It's always scotch. If it's not water. Okay. So if it's a shooter, you add a projectile. Otherwise, don't add a projectile. Well, what do you do? I need to actually add a little data point to... Here we go. Look at that. I already have data point section for enemies. This is writing itself. Data type. Do I already have type? I have genre. Genre value. Wait, type. Yep, I already have type. Can't be data type. Data enemy type. Yes. And this is going to be explore enemy type. Oh my god, this is just the most logical code ever. It's going to be funny if I ever hire somebody to work on this. I really don't see why I would, but I've had some colleagues work on stuff that I've developed on my own. It's not horrible. I kind of naturally write in coding standards just because it's easier than going back and fixing it later. And you know, when you have linters and stuff, you tend to just know how to type things out. But I follow the old WordPress coding style. And a lot of people are like, oh, I hate WordPress coding styles. And I think I have a hybrid where it's like half and half, the good stuff of each type of coding style. So it's easy for me to read. But I saw Pirate Software, you know, Thor, he puts all his open brackets on new lines. And he's just like, let it breathe. That was like his whole thing. And I'm always looking to condense code, you know what I mean? Obviously I want to be readable. But like, this is not good, you know? Normally I would, you know, do one of these every time it breaks or whatever, just to make it logical and easier to read. But at the end of the day, I'm building HTML inside of a class. That's already not really the right way to handle this. I should create a template file and, you know, build the HTML as a template part or whatever. But I want to be able to read this, so I'm not too worried about it. I also am not sanitizing this output data, but it's part of an array that was being sanitized already when it's coming in. So I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, like all these, man, people would kill me. Int val. How dare you not sanitize your variables? Are you kidding me? Who are you? ESC attribute. Wow. Safety. Okay. I know. There's a bunch of other ones I should probably escape as well, but okay, so we got the data enemy type, so that's going to be defined on the front end now, so I'll be able to target the specific types and make things happen accordingly. Shooter needs to have all the projectile logic, and then runner needs to have running logic. And I will use the same logic. This is actually going to be interesting, making them move dynamically based off of my location. Because I mean, I always know where I am, so I can make someone run at me. But you know, the projectiles was kind of cool. But what happens with the projectiles is it goes at an interval to my location. What am I doing? goes an interval to my location. So, but if I move, it doesn't follow me like a heat-seeking missile. It goes to the location until it runs out of room. Basically, runs into a wall or whatever. So, I don't want the enemy to just keep going straight until it runs into a wall, obviously. So I'm gonna have it run at me, walk at me at a slower pace than I can run. So you should be able to dodge them and then run away from them if you wanted to. But if you want points, gotta kill them. So that'll give you incentive. Okay, so I think we have all the back-end logic good. Let's see if I can now... Oop, wrong screen. Yeah, I got some new female versus male. I think I already showed this in my last stream, but it's interesting to see. You know, we got 212, 73. Oh, I'm not on 8. Hold on. Let's see the full breadth. So not too far off from each other, those two. But if you don't select and don't select, boom. So comparatively, you know, they're not far off. In fact, if you add it together, that's 386 versus 381. So the females are outpacing the males in clicks, which, wait a second, what's inactive? Adds inactive, why? Wait, what? When did that happen? No, they're not inactive. Why would you say inactive? Why are you saying inactive? Oh, did I run out of... I must have ran out of budget today. Okay. 1 second, I'm being called. I'll be right back. All right. Back to the code, back to the code. What was I doing? I don't remember. Oh yeah. Let's see if those new meta fields worked. Type. I forgot that radio buttons look so weird. Alright, so the Elven Soldier will be a runner. Cool. Now this will be magical. If I refresh right now and it's saved to runner, I'll pat myself on the back. No way. It totally worked. Apparently I've made enough custom radio button fields to remember how to do that first try. Good for you. Let's make you a shooter just so I don't forget. Okay, so we got our two types. Now we need to define all that shooting logic only if they're a shooter, which would be projectiles. Here we go. Enemy projectiles. This is not project, that's just enemies. This is projectile speed and enemy health. You know what? This will just be speed, but I'm gonna keep calling it, yeah, because this will also determine the speed of the run. So I'll be able to do that on top of the health. So that's smart. But all this logic here, that is only if they are const enemy type equals enemy. Oh, the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Music on. Will we get a random viewer today who wants to talk in the chat or not? That is the question. Oh, here we go. Lost Souls back. Local domain. Yeah, so I use hey, Mr. Adrian. Who is Dave's son? Oh, dude. You're the random viewer. What's up, David? Real quick, Lost Soul. I use local by WP. Local WP. This is my local site. I use this specifically because I have Flywheel as a host, and it connects to the website directly. So I can literally push code to production from my local environment, and it makes things really easy. I'll show you what it looks like. And you see you can do staging or production, so I can actually run the environment. You know, I can deploy to staging, go test it there, and you can actually do database pushing up, which is not normally a good thing. You don't want to push database up. Usually database comes down from production, which you can also do that. You can pull production database down to your local at any time. But you see here it has like basically the git commands, whether it's deleted, added, or when it was changed. It's actually really annoying that it doesn't just show you the changes, like recent changes. Like I wish I could just hide everything else, but yeah, all modified, newer. Yeah, so that's what I use for the local domain. That's where I get my Orbem.local. You can make as many sites as you want to on local WP. Yeah, it's specific for WordPress. That's why they call it local WP. I mean, that's what they usually call it. Now it's just local. But yeah, it literally creates a WordPress site locally when you create a new one. See, spin up a new WordPress or headless WordPress. They actually integrated with Atlas by WP Engine, and that's that allowed them to have a headless front end, which I've tried it out once. It's okay, just not necessary for my needs. And David, Glad to see you on here, man. Been a very long time. I think the last time I saw you was on Twitch. You're on Twitch. No, just kidding. You guys still doing Twitch stuff? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I used for the longest time I used MAMP, you know, to do my local environments, and you know, that was fine. Whatever works really works. But now local is just the easiest because it's all WordPress. You can go, you see, you can even do like the WordPress upgrades directly from here, and you can turn on Xdebug. It has a lot of integrations too, which is kind of cool. Like if you go to add-ons, you can add all these things, including Xdebug, which I use for troubleshooting, which is really cool. But yeah, anything to make my life easier. And let's see here. So we have these selected, and now the front end should be good. Let's get the attribute data enemy type. And yeah, feel free to keep asking questions if you want. I have chats very close to my eyes. Though I totally missed yesterday's stream chat for a long time. I rewatched it. New career. Crash course. What's the new career? Right. Now we have the enemy type. Let's define that here. Oh. Oh, here you go. Yeah, this is your new career. There you go. Yeah, man. I'm gonna tell you, I got pigeonholed into WordPress development, you know, 10 years ago. Yeah, I spent like 3 or 4 years working on it, and then that's the only job I could get after that point. And I mean, I chose the right horse because it's lucrative. Everybody is using WordPress at every level. So it, you know, there's no shortage of work, honestly. I mean, I spent a couple years just getting side gigs on Craigslist. Shoot, you can just go there, you know? Yeah, 100%. And then once you find that full-time gig with the enterprise level site, I mean, once you know the basics of object-oriented programming, it's just PHP. I think PHP is easier than Python or React or any of them. You just kind of have to learn all the little specific WordPress functions, and then once you know those, you know, sky's the limits. Did I put that in the right place? Yes, I did. Okay, so now this interval will only happen if he's a shooter. But if he is a gunner, that's a shooter too. If he's a runner, there you go. Ooh, I should have done gunner and runner. That's more fun. Okay. If runner equals enemy type. So here's all the running logic. Now what am I doing? I'm going to steal the positioning logic that makes the projectile go there. Am I going to do it the same way? I guess I could move him just using translate like I'm doing the projectile. But I don't know. I know, right? I literally have, what, 16 songs? I have an hour worth of music, of just stuff that I have recorded, including the Orbem order stuff that you are familiar with, David. And even some really old Mulholland Fall music and stuff like that I just found. And then I made some instrumental versions of some of the songs just to fill up some extra background music. But oh, actually, just I started working with my buddy Ryan Wood. It's a longtime friend since we were babies, and he had a little like experimental band called Crooktooth, and I started recording stuff on top of the songs with him. So now I'm kind of part of the music, and we just got this new song here today. I'll turn it up a little bit. It's pretty good. I do all the singing. No, Indonesia, your English looks great. Oh, maybe you have Grammarly. Because I did not notice at all. Especially typing English can always be kind of bad, so you're doing alright. And greetings to Indonesia. So the guy making noise right now is Ryan. He's cool. He's got a cool and interesting voice. He usually screams and stuff. This is just something different he's trying. And then I throw some singing in there. So getting, this is my position. Yeah, and they have a lot of these little one-off small songs too, which is kind of cool. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it back down. Okay. So my only thing is, do I put the enemy in the interval with my movement and it constantly make it move towards my position, like auto move as if it's another character? Or do I just do the same thing I'm doing with projectiles and just translate it into my center position, which this is my center position. You see it takes the width of my character, cuts it in half, adds it to the top left corner. I don't know. I think I'm just going to try it this way first, and if it doesn't work out, I'll rewrite it into the interval. So this is the projectile. So the projectile instead will be the actual person. So I'll just... Yeah, and I don't need to do this whole cloning thing, because that's just creating a new projectile before I shoot another one. Alright. So let's actually bring this out, because I'm going to use it for both. And this for both. Okay. And you know what? I'm going to bring this for both too. What else? I think that's it. Man, I guess I could just make this into a helper function. Yeah, I'll just copy this. It might be too confusing with the whole cloning node thing. There we go. Yeah, see, I don't need this whole set interval. Oh, you know what? Fine. I'll go dry. Move. Enemy. And then we'll just add projectile position. Right? Move enemy. I'll just put the function inside of here. If enemies? Oh, I'm inside the for each. Yeah, I don't want to define it a million times, so I'll just put it at the end here. Okay, function, move enemy. Let's see what I need. Oop. And this band is translated to name. This is my last real band that I was in about, shit, 12 years ago, something like that. Old stuff. This is not me singing, this is our guitarist. But then I do all the screaming and singing after that, basically. Okay, so we need the projectile position. And we need the map character left and top. Right. Map character left, map top. Let's give this a little documentation, because I'll forget what it's doing. Move enemy or projectile to character position. Cool. What the hell? Oh yeah, shoot. I'm gonna have to add much more stuff. Left. Oh man, is this not gonna work? This'll work, I think. Left difference. And top difference. Okay. This should now be a full-on fully. Yeah, okay. So let's pass it into the function along with all the other junk. Map character left, map character top. Left difference. Top difference. Oh, you know what? I don't need to add those. It just starts off as nothing. What, am I doing something with those down here though? No, I'm not. So it doesn't matter. Let's just add those to the function. I can take those out as parameters now. Good. Too much in the function. Move projectile. Always document everything you're doing because you will forget. I've learned that many a time. And I constantly ask myself, what the hell was that guy thinking? And it was me. And I don't know what I was thinking half the time. Alright, 0. Why am I doing this? Oh, I guess just so I can default it to 0. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. Okay, so now runner is going to be the projectile. So let's move enemy, if you're a runner, to the... Oh shit. This needs to be inside the array. Oh, it is inside the array. So this is the enemy. Yep. This is the enemy. Oh, position. Projectile position is using get bounding. Can't forget that. Alright. So this will be the top and left position. And then we'll use the same thing. Oops. Map. Map. And I'm so confident that this is going to work right away that I'm just going to compile it and run right to the front end. Why would this? What is this? So I'm just going to start moving every enemy towards me. Yeah, this might get a little weird. I'm definitely going to have to do a proximity thing, like don't start moving, don't start shooting too. Because right now they just shoot constantly, even if I'm nowhere near them. Alright, so I'll have to add like a if map position is within 1,000 pixels or whatever, then start this. So I'll have to have a function for that. Womp. Okay, so what do we have here? Projectiles broken. Well, I didn't say the projectile would work. I said the runner function would work. Proj speed is not working. Why? Did I not define that? Where is that defined? Not here. I did not verify every. Always change. Okay, here we go. Proj speed. That is part of this. I mean, shit, I could have just put enemy in here, but let's add proj speed. To the function. Because I don't think I need health, right? No, I don't think so. Proj speed. Okay. Wait, is that inside here? Nope. Good. It's available. And then with that proj speed. Just technically enemy speed. But I don't want to rename everything. So we're going to keep it projectile based. Alright. God damn it. Go away. I'm done with you. Okay. I actually don't like having this on the right side. I like having it underneath, but it kept covering up the dude, so this will work. Let's leave. And continue. Let's see if projectiles work now. Nope, something broke right away. Hold on. What the hell do you mean projectiles not defined? Why? What? I have projectile position, but I don't have projectile. Smart, bro. Wait, why is this inside here? Oh. I have position, but I don't have projectile. Projectile will be first. And yes, I'll update the docs later. Wait, what? Oh, it's going to be the same error. Projectile is going to be enemy. Oh, then what the hell am I doing? I'll just... Boom. Yeah, come on. Don't be dumb. Projectile position. I don't need projectile position. I need projectile. Boom. Completely logical. Saving lines. I don't save lives, I save lines. Let should probably not be passed as parameter. What? Why? Should probably not be passed as parameter. Oh, is it backwards? It is not backwards. It's in correct order. Projectile. Oh, it's probably because I didn't remove this. Got it. Wow. Just like everyone else. Okay. So let's just add this here. So instead of position, we just do that. Position, we do that. Oh, it's kind of annoying. Let's just make a position 1 in here. Projectile. Position equals projectile. Wow. Okay, this is right. This is completely right, and this is gonna work perfectly. Are we ready? I think we are. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. No failing. Go. Yeah. Oh god. He ran to me right away and hit me. Okay, well, we know it works. Problem is, he needs to keep running at me. I didn't even think about that. That's why I needed the interval. Oh, projectile still works. Where the hell is he shooting, though? Hey, I'm over here, dude. Okay. Well, I guess my position is not being properly read. Let's see why. It's because my position needs to be read every time. Yeah, correct. So this actually has to be inside the interval, because I could move at any time. So that's fine. So that'll fix that. Oh man. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. So he constantly needs to be walking after me. Constantly. Or maybe not constantly. Maybe I'll just put a separate set interval for this. You know what I mean? And I'll make it... Yeah, because that's kind of how enemies move in RPGs, right? They go somewhere, and they turn, and they go somewhere else. They're not just constantly quickly running at your face. Oh, which I didn't set speed, so that's probably why that ran at me so fast. Let's go to the Elven bot. Elven soldier, not Elven bot. Let's set his speed to something slow, because right now I have him at 2. Let's do 1. I should definitely change the number signature of that so I can make people moderately faster. Okay, so he's 1. Okay, set interval, prod speed times 1,000. Yes. I guess this is where I could do that. What if I do prod speed times 100? That'd be pretty slow. No, that'd be really fast. What if I do times 2,000? I'm going the wrong way. Let's do that. Yeah, let's just keep going. We'll see. It might not be that fast. It'd be that slow. Okay. But we're gonna have to do the same thing. Let's steal this. Oh. You know what? All 3 of these have to be in there, because I need to reread my entire dude. So let's do this. You get your own, and then you get your own. Okay, I know they're the exact same interval. I could put them in the same interval, but I don't, well, shit, why not? I guess I should just put them in the same interval, huh? Yeah. Let's keep it dry, people. Makes no sense. Let's just keep this dry. So, in fact, the only logic that's different is this part. Right? Okay. So now if it's a shooter, I look for the projectile. Bing, bang, boom. And then, I want to do a separate move. I guess I could just put the move on the outside, right? Of the if statement. And then the only thing that's gonna happen differently is what projectile is. Right? Right. So check it. If enemy type womp, then womp. Otherwise, projectile is enemy. If anybody's confused, go ahead and ask as many questions as you want. Or just follow along. Projectile, yes. Enemy is coming from here. I'm intervaling. And so basically, I'm gonna move the dude or the projectile. And here, the different logic is that the projectile gets created and destroyed when it hits something. Okay, but I need to get rid of all this because you no longer needed. So what did I do? I know there's a rogue. Open and close. The if statement's correct. If statement's correct. This is the set interval. Yep, that's good. This is the for each. Okay, this is the rogue. Yeah, and I think it's just because of this. No, it doesn't need to be in that extra if statement. Alright. This is it. This works first try. I know. Third try works first try. All right. Looks like it's just you and me, lost soul. Let's see here. Alright. This is gonna work. Set. Good. Speed's low. Wait. No, that's fast. See? That's slower. That's even slower. Okay. We got this. Okay. Gotta think backwards with speed. Alright, and that projectile better be hitting me now when I come back in here. I'm just interested in what the elven soldier is going to do. Am I getting hit? Yes. Oh god. Oh man. What the hell kind of movement is this? So he's moving towards me, my position. It hit me. And then he's running back. What the heck? That's so funny. But that's not even my position. Oh, yeah, it is. It's my position. It's basically treating him like a projectile. Which makes sense because I'm using the same logic as a projectile. Is he gonna hit me? Really bad at hitting me. What the hell? Come over here, dude. I'm not even moving. Huh. Yeah, it's really far off. It's not finding my position very well. And it's only because I'm to the left of him. It seemed like it was fine when I wasn't. Yeah, see, like it can find me when I'm on this end. Interesting. I also find interesting that he's not stopping in the wall like the projectiles do. Let's see if my killing function still works. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Punch, 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 punch. Punch, 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 punch. Is the health going down? It does not look like it. Oh, we got some conslayers. Here we go. Something is broken. I was hoping something would be broken because it wasn't working well. Here we go. Projectile does not exist. Why? Projectile does not exist because enemy doesn't exist, I guess. That makes sense. So if enemy type is shooter, then get the projectile. Otherwise, use enemy. Passing projectile. Cool. But for some reason, projectile's coming up empty. Oh. Is that because I killed the projectile, so now it can't find it anymore? Yes, that is why. See, I ran into a problem. Is that I can kill the projectile, which I don't want to happen. If I punch the projectile, it goes away. I don't know why it does that though. Alright, whatever. I'm not worried about the shooter guy right now. I'm worried about the runner. We'll figure out the shooter at another time. See if breakable still works. Ah, yes it does. Okay, cool. Alright, why can't you get to me when I'm to the left? Let's restart here and see if you can run at me, because it's looking real dumb. Yeah, I think I know what to do. I just need to get the new position of the enemy instead of like using the same one that's above the set interval. So let's see, can he move towards me? Yes, he can. And look, it pushes me. That's pretty good. Let's see if it does it again. Yep, okay. We're good. Okay, but now what I need to do, I want to get the new position of the enemy. So in fact, I need to put the for each inside the interval. That sounds messy. Let's not do that. How else am I going to get the new position of the enemy? Well, I don't know. I mean, I guess I can guess. Yeah. All of them need intervals. Some move, some shoot. Yeah, I mean, I guess all of them need intervals, so we'll just search them all for the intervals. I mean, even if I have 20 enemies, it only goes through 20 items in a loop. I mean, I can't imagine having that many. Okay, so the interval needs to move to the top level, which is going to be here. Cool. And we're going to go there. Cool. And this is, here's the set interval. If statement needs to push back. See, this is why I think I need to move this function outside of this if statement. Oh, come on, buddy. Come with me if you want to live. Alright, so you're out of the if statement. Now you're inside of the function. And then let's move you outside of the if statement as well. You are the top level now. Ta-da! And you are the if statement. Alright, cool. Everything looks good, it's positioned well. So now this timeout is going to be controlled. It's going to hit every enemy every time. Get the new position of the enemy, get the new position of me. Should be able to move properly now. Just hope it doesn't go crazy on me. Because this isn't where the enemy health is. That's a separate function when I actually punch things. So I'm not worried about the interval causing overload. Okay, I think this is just gonna work. Alright, let's try this again. And so now he shouldn't be going back and forth now. It should just be go to me, go to my new position. If I don't break everything first try, let's see. Prod speed is not defined. Yeah, I figured I was missing something. Okay, prod speed needs to come from thy enemy. Shoot. I cannot do prod speed anymore. This now has to be shoot. 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 I can't control the speed per enemy. What do I do? It's chicken and the egg, man. Which one comes first? So I need the enemy info. Right? Oh, this is gonna be even worse. What am I thinking? This can't be how it works. Enemies, enemies. Yeah, no, I can't. Wait, why am I doing enemies twice? That's so weird. Why did I do that? Why am I doing this 2 levels? That's really weird. Okay. Yeah. That's right. This is what happens with long functions. It gets very confusing, especially when you don't have a bunch of comments everywhere. Okay, so we get your 4 each. And for each enemy, it's gonna do the whole movement stuff for the enemy, movement of me. But the problem is, speed's controlled by the interval that's at the higher level. So how do I define the prod speed per enemy if they're all using the same speed? You're right. I don't. I just do them all the same speed. At least for now. Alright. Because I still have prod speed for that. Wait, what the hell? What did I duplicate? Why did I duplicate? So I got this shooter. I got this at timeout. Wait, what? Wait, why do I have 2 for eaches? What am I doing? Why did I do that? It was a copy paste error. I'm sure you saw it. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, set interval, we got our enemies, we're for-eaching through them, we're getting the attributes for speed, we're getting health, which I'm not using yet. Actually, I'm not using this ever. I do health in another area, so I don't need that. Enemy data type, okay, we got this type. We're getting me, we're getting my position, my center position. We're defining what projectile is, and we're moving it. Okay. And if it's a shooter, I'm doing the whole projectile logic. Got it. Okay, so we're good now. Let's just see. This should work. I'll need to put some sort of speed modifier based off of the person, but I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. Oh, maybe I can do it with the transition speed. That's how I do it. Transition speed will control how fast they move, not the interval. The interval is how fast you shoot. Oh, this is weird. Where's he going? Where are you going, dude? He's following me really creepily. are you following me so far away? Oh, it's because there's a console error. What the hell? Why is that happening? I didn't kill the projectile, did I? Oh, he doesn't have a projectile. Where's your projectile, bro? Where's your projectile, homie? Okay. Projectile. Yeah. Yeah. For each, yeah. Enemy type is shooter, and then I should get the projectile. Where's it going? If it hits a wall, die, but I already have a new one. Why is this not working? Dodge movement. Huh. Let's restart right here so I can see what happens to the projectile. Because if it's just like disappearing, then... Yeah, look. Boom. Look. What's happening to your projectile? It's the interval, man. The interval can't be at that high of a level. Because now I'm looping through. Yeah, you know, this works. This looks crazy. My mistake was trying to combine the two. I can't combine the two. I can't have the for each. I don't know, because it wasn't already in a for each. Wasn't my projectile already in a for each? I think so. So then why would that matter? But the for each was not right in a set interval. Yeah, like I said, I can't combine them this way. Unfortunately, I'm going to go back. Back long ago, when the interval was inside the for each, and when they had two separate functions. Yes. And this did not have logic like this. Wait. No, that's fine actually. Right? I can still use this logic. Let's see where we're at right here. Because this might work. Okay, so we got if statement. Okay, each enemy is going to get a Senate. Each enemy. No. I need the if statement for this interval to be shooter. I need to move the shooter if to the outside the interval. There we go. That's where I was. Wait. And this was correct. Putting this in there was correct. Okay. So I think this is it. Okay, so we got 4 each, all of them. We got the prod speed, health. I'm not going to touch anything yet because I have to go forward and back, but I'm going to remove the health. We got the type, if it's a shooter, set an interval, get my position, get the projectiles in position, and do all the projectile stuff. Perfect. If it's a runner, set an interval, move the enemy. Perfect. And they all get their own prod speed. I like it. Let's do it. Let's remove this. I created much unnecessary work for myself by trying to make things less repetitive. Alright, let's see what happens. Yes, I know. Projectile party. It's actually pushing the whole window down. Do you mind restarting, please? Okay. Continue. Here we go. Shoot me. Thank you. Shoot me again. Thank you. Shoot me again. Perfect. Now I'm a little concerned. Where's my elf? He's right here. Hey, why aren't you coming at me? Because I didn't define my character left. Oh, did I not do this? I did not do this, I don't think. Hold, please. Yeah, that's right. I forgot. Every time, new. And I think I already decided that I need the enemy shoot, yeah, this is what I was running into the problem. I need to define the enemy inside the interval 2 because I need his new position. How do I do that? I mean, I guess. No. How do I get the new position? Oh, I look for it. Right? Enemy. Well, no, then this should work fine. Right? Yeah, this should work. Because I'm grabbing the enemy from out here. But then I'm getting his position now. I need to redefine the enemy here. That's the problem. So I need to know. Which enemy it is somehow. Do I put like an ID on these guys? Enemy. No, not really. There's really no way for me to know. Okay. How do I get the new position? The new position. I don't know. I'm gonna try this right now. I'm just gonna see if my brain is wrong and this is actually gonna work. I don't think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna do the same thing it did and just make it move back and forth a million times. Let's see. No. Well, first off, it's still broken. Why? Because it has not compiled yet. Come on. I would do that. Come at me. Yep. Bye. So annoying. Why is his starting position changing? Oh my god. He is random, this guy. Yeah, because it doesn't know where to move to. I get it. Why are you so drunk? It is really funny seeing a pop socket kind of move around the screen like that, though. Okay. So I was correct. I need to get the enemy again. I'm trying to think like new enemy equals enemy, but like it's not how it works, you know. And I can't do document dot query selector fucking enemy. Can't query because I have him. I have the one I need. I just need a new query on him. You know what that means? We gotta make them all have their own goddamn ID. Okay. How do we do that? I'll tell you how we do that. title, or slug, I guess. So we need to define one more data point. Here we go. It's going to be data. Fucking. Let's not do data. Let's just do ID. Do I already have an ID? I don't think I have an ID. No, I don't. So let's just have them all have their own data. How about that? Oh, look, I do have post name in here. I could do that. I can do that. Yep, I already got it. It already exists. We already have the power. Here's how we do it. New enemy. We get const enemy name equals get clean class. Get class clean. And then we do enemy dot class name. I know it's not get class clean. Class clean. No. Clean. Clean class name. God. I never remember my own name structure. Clean class name. Clean class name. Alright, that's the enemy name. And then what do? You do enemy name, map item, ta-da, and now we have the enemy just where we want them. New enemy. Okay, so now we are requerying the enemy in the new interval. That is going to give me the current position during the interval, and then move him towards my new position. So it should be kind of like a cat and mouse. He shouldn't just be traveling around trying to catch me now. I'm gonna miss this movement of him though. It is very funny. Okay, hit me. God damn it. What? Why? Because I don't know what I'm doing. I forgot the period. That's what a class looks like, by the way. It has a period. Don't have to do that for ID because you're getting element by ID, so you don't have to do that. But for query select here, you need to add what it is. And then continue. Hit me. Ow. Why are you going back? Well, let's see if he follows me at least. Whoa. See if he follows me pretty far. Whoa. Okay. So here's the problem. The set interval to resetting him. I am interested actually. So move enemy. How does this work? I go projectile. I get the position of it. Then I just check the difference between me and the projectile. And then I move him to that new... Oh, I just add, yeah. Why does it keep resetting? Let's look at his CSS style. So if we go to the enemy, we can actually look. See, it's changing. It's going bigger, and then it's changing smaller. Every second, it's resetting to a smaller and a bigger. Now, why would you do that if my position hasn't changed? You know? Should be the same position every time. I am in an interval and I am in a for each. It shouldn't matter. Speed type. This has nothing to do with me because I'm not a shooter. I'm a runner, so run. So what happens when you get to the end? Oh. I think that's the problem. I think that's the problem. Move enemy is just changing the translate. But where's it getting the initial translate? I'm not. So I need to, yeah, look, see, I'm using the position to get the difference. I'm using the position, top, to get the difference. But then it's resetting because it doesn't know. It's resetting to smaller. Why are you resetting to smaller? Does it have to do with my position? Why does my position look different? Maybe. Let's check. Let's see what we're getting here. Oh no. Because this is going to do the projectile too. I don't want to put a console in there. I want to put it in here. Log, map, character. Because what I should see is that it's the same number. Yao Ming. This should be the same number every time. If I don't move. And if I move, it should change. If I don't, it shouldn't. Okay, console. What do we got? Thanks. It wasn't done compiling. What's new? Go. 500. 500. 500. 500. Why is it still 500? Oh, because I haven't moved. This is just the left. Okay, this is good. So it's doing the right thing. It's not supposed to move. And if I move to the left, different. Why do you keep going back? Okay, so good. Step one, good. But now, new enemy. Let's check what you got going on. That pisses me off. I went out of my way to figure out the new enemy's positioning and stuff. Alright. Okay. New enemy. What are you doing? Okay, there we go. So let's see what this is. Like why it's the way it is. Okay. that's weird. I mean, it's not weird. He keeps moving to the right. Problem is, he should be 500 and stay there. Why are you not staying there? Like, who's telling you to move is what I want to know. I mean, who's changing your translate? Okay, let's go back to move. Let's try this again. So we're getting my position, which is not moving when I don't move. We're getting the projectile itself. And we're grabbing its position every second. Yeah. And then left minus left difference. Getting the left difference. The difference is getting smaller. So translate numbers should be getting smaller. Which it is. Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm not actually changing his position. So when it gets closer, it thinks it needs less translate. Because it's closer now. But its position hasn't changed. Translate's just a fake way of moving him around. Well, we know how to solve that. Because we just change his position before moving him again. So let's do that. Right. Translate, then move his position. Shit, how do I do that without? Okay. So what I need to do is reset the translate to 0. Every second. So enemy style. We're gonna reset translate and set position. So boop boop boop. Boop turns into boop and boop. Cool, cool, cool. And then enemy. Shoot. I gotta do it here. I gotta reset it when I know what his position is. Shoot. So I have to recheck his current position, which I'm doing here. Okay, no, I got it. I got it. Enemy. Yeah. Yes. Right. Style left. Equals new enemy dot get bounding. Thank you. Left dot pixels cool. Enemy dot style dot top equals new enemy dot get bounding rec dot top plus pick soul. Okay, so technically every second I'm going to reset the translate. I'm going to set it to the current location where he is now. In fact, I have to do that first, just in case. Okay. Pop. Move his position to his current position. Reset the translate. Then reset. And then move him again to my new position. This technically should work. Okay, here we go. Go. Hit me. Wait, whoa. This is not working. Where's he coming from? It's terrifying. What happened? Okay, well, first things first. The first time, I can't do this. So I need to let him move first and then do this. Right. Let's see if simply moving this here will actually solve that. If not, I gotta dig a little deeper. Hit me. Wrong way, bro. Yeah, so what's happening is I'm setting the position somehow to the wrong position. And that dude's not knows why. Style left should be this. Style top should be this. Okay. So I'm starting to think I need to do the runner in the interval where I move myself. Or I get away from this whole translate thing, right? I mean, why am I doing the translate thing? I don't need to. I should just move him to my position with the left and top every second. So why don't we just do that? Like this. Check it. Well, first off, I like this transition speed logic. The only reason I didn't do that with projectile is because it's inside of the enemy. So I had to use translate to move it. But since this guy's not in anything, I should be able to just do this. Wait, where's prod speed coming from? Oh, part of the function. Well, where was I doing it here? Oh, whatever. Alright. So cool, we'll set it. Then we'll do enemy style dot left equals map character left. Cool. And then we'll do style top equals map character top. Honestly, it should be this easy. I just move his left and top position to my left and top position, right? Oh, not enemy, new enemy. Yes, new enemy. Remember, he needs to change. Does it? Yeah. Does it? I actually don't know if I need to reset him or anymore to a new character. Probably don't, actually. But maybe I do, because it might like start him from a starting position every time if I don't. Okay. Yeah, let's see that. Alright. And I'll say it again. Hit me. Alright, I'm gonna take that as the JavaScript didn't compile. Alright, hit me. God damn it. You know that's not where I am. Why is that where you think I am? Let's see what's going on with this styling. It's probably something stupid. Top and left, 503. That's not where I am, dude. And why isn't it changing? Because I'm not moving. It's not breaking. So why aren't you updating every time? Why aren't you updating? New enemy. Style left. Now character left. Why aren't you... Got the enemy name. Interesting. Let's make sure... It's definitely setting the first time. But it's not... Wait. I'm doing 3 seconds. But why is it so small? I'm trying to find my current middle position, which I am. This is correct. Why is my position not changing? Why? Why? It's a little frustrating. We'll get it. Huh. Alright, well, let's get some more login going. Let's see where my position is, because it should change every second. Or every 3 seconds. It's very possible I just kind of screwed up and made him take too long of an interval. So let's actually move him back down to 1. Alright. Go. 500. 500. Why does it think I'm at 500 every time? Oh, it's grabbing the wrong position. This is not my position. how come it works for projectile? Because projectile doesn't care. Does projectile not care? It should care. Where am I? Obviously that's not my real location. In the browser it is, not on the map. Okay, I need to figure out how to get my position because I'm obviously doing something wrong. Yeah, 'cause this is my position. See, look, my position's good. Now how am I getting that? Final position, block movement, top position, left, style left. Block movements, I'm getting my current position. Oh. Duh. I know what to do now. I don't need to get this, I need to get this. And this. Hello. Nice to meet you. That was my brain I was saying hello to. So now this should be correct. I'm getting the style left and top. I don't need to get the actual browser positioning. That doesn't matter. Let go. Go. Hit me. Oh shit. What happened? He exploded. That's map character. Look at the enemy. Why 50? The math is not, it does not like the math to get the position of me. That's my guess. So let's see here. My character width divided by 2 plus left and plus top. This should be fine. Why is it becoming 50? Let's see what I'm getting here. Let's just do map character style left. And then let's see what this is. The diff. Let's get all the math together. Now let's get map character width divided by 2. Okay. Okay. Let's check the console. He's exploding. It has not compiled yet. Let's try again. Okay, 50. 50. Okay, why am I getting nothing here? Map character style left is giving me nothing. Well, that's just not true. I know why. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Map character. Map character. Icon. Yeah, that's why. Come on, son. My character icon is the image. Okay. So this is the truth. Okay. Now I should be able to get the left and top. Let's try it again. Don't worry, it's your time, and no one's going to miss you. It's a really sad song that I made up when I was a kid. Okay. Hit me. Why aren't you hitting me? Hit me. You're not doing anything. Are you consoling on me? No. Why aren't you hitting me? Hello? I would like you to hit me now. Map character? Yeah. Map character? Yeah. Style top? Yeah. Style left? Okay. I mean, it's acting like this isn't even here. It's not even flashing like it's trying to do something. Soldier. Wait. What am I? Is it because... No, it doesn't matter. Alright, come on. Let's try this again. Go. Do something. I'm making a transition. Nothing else is working now. I'm setting the transition. Left isn't working. Now, pray tell, why the nut are you deciding not to set the style left? How tired am I? What am I missing? This should be setting the new style. Set the transition. Oh, what the fuck? Oh. Yeah. That's not what I want. I want you to do this. Do this. I want you to do maths. Oh, I get it. I get it. It wasn't that. It's not seeing this. Let's parse in this after we replace and get rid of the PX. Yeah. Yeah, because when you get styles, they have pixel in them. That's the true culprit there. And then let's parse in it to make sure it becomes a whole integer so I can actually do the maths. Okay. Now this should work. Give me real. Hit me. Nan. That means fail. Alright, why is that? It doesn't like this. How do I What am I doing wrong? Alright, hold on. Let's see what this actually is. What this is. Well, don't you nan me. Alright. There we go. Oh, look at that. 0.5. What the hell is that? 0.5? So it didn't even have an issue with this. So actually, I think it was the fact that I was trying to do a string replace on it. Alright. Try again. Hit me. God damn it. Well, looky there. It looks like the position changed. Good. But guess what, dude? I'm pretty sure we have... How's the projectile hitting me right now? What the hell is that? Look, you are different than my character. We have different positions. You should have the same position as me. But you are not. Oh, duh. Because I'm doing the math here. Because I'm trying to find... Then, in that case, it should be bigger, right? Yeah. What the fuck? Map character. What is going on? Hold on. I'm gonna tell you right now, this makes no sense. No, I definitely don't want to do that. Computer's starting to get a little laggy. Okay, hold on. Let's console this straight out. Okay. So map character style left. Yes. Let's get that every second. We'll console it. Boom. Show me. Show me. Why are you not console logging me? Come on, dude. You're right there. Alright, try again. What's going on, dude? Why is it not console logging for me? What did I do? What the hell? Oh, I broke something. Because of this. Alright. Try again. Dude, what are you doing? Console log. Give me this now. I know you're getting hit. Console.log. You know what you're supposed to do, dude. What is going on? Why is this not cooperating at all? Cooperate. There we go. Fuck. See, look, it has the pixel in it. So I do need to do replace pixel. So that was correct, right? Unless it's seeing it in a different light. Yeah, see, that's right. Is that a whole number? I don't know, maybe. Let's see, is this a number that can be added to that number? I don't think that's a whole number. What if I parse into this now? Will it turn into a number? Because that's what I was fucking doing. Already. We're just verifying what I already was doing. Yep, that's exactly what I was doing. Now let's do this. What you got? 50. I know it's 50. Why am I even doing this? Let's just fucking do 50. Eh? Cool. 50. I mean, it might change in the future or something, but for now it won't. Pixel, boom. Cool. We're gonna add a number with a number. And we're right back where we started. Cool. Now, you should be correct. The only difference is that you have an extra 50 pixels on you. Which actually seems low, but whatever. Okay. We see my position. Okay, I'm not gonna move. And so you should see top 1868, left 2159. Here we go. $18.68 plus 50, $21.69 plus 50. Something tells me these are backwards. No, they're correct. What? How is that correct? Because he's 1,000 by 1,000. So in fact, that would be 500, not 50. I forgot. My image and my container are different sizes. The image would have been only 50 pixels, but the container is 1,000. That's how when you move around, it scrolls. It's because there's like a container. Oh look, he's moving with me. This is gonna work. I love it. Alright, here it is. Piece de resistance. And after this works, I'm probably gonna bow out. Because I'm tired. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at, he's just pushing me now because he's following me like a dog. Run, no, he's coming. Ah, holy shit, he's gonna get me. Persistent motherfucker. Oh god. Oh, he's pushing me out of the map. No, this is bad. Alright, this is good. I like it. He's too quick though. And look, he keeps pushing my position. He's getting... Oh, he just sent me out of the fucking map. That's crazy. This is good. So there's definitely some logic to be held in. But this is a good start. So now when I go... Oh, you bitch. I gotta restart the whole game because he pushed me out. I definitely need to not let him move me somehow. Like, he should be able to just like hit me, and then if he hits me, he backs off. Which I can probably do. Okay. So let's see the two different bad guys working in action. Okay. What the fuck? Oh god. Oh god. Why? What happened? I thought I made him slower. I definitely made him slower. So, did I make you slower, dude? And I don't like that you can go through walls. Ugh, I can't get away from him. No, 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 no. Fuck you. Oh, you know what? I forgot I can shoot him. Die, die, die. Die. Die, die. Die, die, die. Kill him. Is his health going down? Dude, no, it's not. Why is his health not going down? Oh, yes, it is. He's almost dead. Go, go. Die. Get the fuck away from me, dude. Die. 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 You're gonna push me out of the map. Oh my god. He's almost dead. Ah, Jesus. I felt molested. So persistent. Why would I program such a persistent enemy? Okay. So he's working. Good. Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. I definitely need to, like, either give bad guys way less health. Like, it should just be 2 shots. I mean, this is more like boss fight levels of health. You know? I mean, and it's definitely not taking her alive every shot. Alright. That's it. I feel accomplished. We got the mover guy. I mean, the entire game needs tightening up. My movement, you know, my shooting or punching, you know, the breakable, you know, even just the collision points are a little jank. So, but that's fine, because I'm building all the functionality to start, and then we can make it really function well after the fact. And like the fact that I can run through her, that's just crazy. So yeah, I think I'm good for today. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Let's see, David, appreciate you jumping on, man, and following. Every follow helps, every viewer helps, all the chat helps. I definitely would love to be affiliate someday so that I can, you know, start allowing people to contribute to the stream and you know, just spread the news of Orbem, my book, and everything like that. And Lost Soul, you're a real G. Have a good time in Indonesia. I appreciate you jumping on. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks. See you everybody. Have a good night. Or whatever time it is for you.